Okay, let's dive into this. How can we use AI to protect our actual physical world?
So what keeps the lights on and water flowing? It's our critical infrastructure.
Yep, energy grids, factories, all that. It's run by what's called operational technology, or OT.
And here's the catch. Now that everything's connected, these crucial systems are totally exposed.
You see, IT and OT are totally different beasts. A hack in IT, you lose data. A hack in OT, things get physical.
Problem is, these OT systems are old school. They were never designed to fight today's clever cyber attacks.
Clearly, what we've been doing just isn't cutting it. We need a whole new security playbook. And that new playbook is called Zero Trust. The idea is simple. Trust nothing. Verify everything, every time. But here's the snag. You can't just slap new software on these old, critical systems. It's way too risky.
So, what's the solution? NVIDIA's BlueField DPUs. They run security separately, on their own hardware. And of course, NVIDIA isn't doing this alone. It takes a whole team of experts to pull this off.
And what's cool is how each partner plays a specific role, kind of like a security dream team.
When you put it all together, you get a whole new standard for OT security. It's a four-step dance. Detect at the edge, analyze with AI, coordinate centrally, and enforce locally.
The payoff? We can spot threats way faster, keeping our critical systems safe and online.
So the bottom line is AI isn't just building the future, it's also its bodyguard.
Which leaves us with a big question. As AI powers more of our world, can it also become its ultimate guardian?